Nikon releases the Nikon Z30 APS-C size mirrorless camera, which is ideal for vloggers and content creators. Nikon Corporation is happy to announce the release of Nikon Z30 mirrorless camera in APS-C DX format. The Nikon Z30 is a mirrorless camera that gives comprehensive consideration for video recording of a wide range of scenes from daily shooting to creative expression including vlogs, and features the smallest and lightest body among Nikon Z series models, as well as a vari-angle LCD monitor REC lamp that immediately notifies of recording and up to 125 minutes of recording time. The Nikon Z30 achieves remarkable high-resolution portrayal by combining the same X-Speed 6 imaging processing engine as the Nikon Z7 and the image sensor as the Nikon ZFC, in conjunction with Nikkor Z lenses. Furthermore, the Nikon Z30 is a camera that prioritizes ease of use and design, ideal for video recording, allowing even first-time mirrorless camera users to enjoy photographic expression casually. It also has functions like creative picture control, which allows for a variety of emotions, 4K UHD, 30p video, and slow motion video, all of which can meet the challenge of more specific video expressions. Nikon will continue to pursue a new dimension in optical performance while satisfying users' needs, contributing to the growth of image culture in the hope of extending imaging expressions possibilities. At 25 degrees 77 degrees Fahrenheit, Full HD 24p and 25p, the camera's ability to constantly attain the full 125 minutes is affected by factors such as battery life and internal temperature. In 4K UHD, around 35 minutes of recording time is available. The Nikon Z30 has outstanding rendering performance equivalent to that of higher class models for vlog content creators. High-resolution superior rendering performance is achieved by combining the same image processing engine as the Nikon Z7 with the image sensor used in the Nikon ZFC, as well as Nikkor Z lenses. High-quality photographs may be recorded regardless of the scene, whether indoors, outdoors, or at night, thanks to a standard sensitivity range of ISO 100, 51200. In addition to stills, Nikon Z30 has eye detection autofocus and animal detection autofocus, which identifies the eyes of people, dogs, and cats are used for video recording, allowing users to capture the eyes of moving subjects in both video and stills. The Nikon Z30 employs AFF, full-time AF, which maintains focus on a subject as it moves or as the composition changes, allowing even inexperienced mirrorless camera users to capture vivid facial expressions of a subject without failure. The touch-sensitive variable angle LCD monitor allows users to not only examine their appearance while shooting selfies, but also freely snap high-angle overhead and low-angle photos such as walking feet. It has smartphone-like controls for shooting, changing settings, and pinching in-out while viewing photographs. The Nikon Z30 includes all of the exceptional DX format and FX format Nikkor Z lenses, from wide-angle lenses suitable for vlogs to prime lenses with exquisite bokeh and zoom lenses that cover a wide range of scenes with a single lens, allowing everyone to enjoy a magnificent diversity of image expressions. Please note, the maximum standard sensitivity for video recording is ISO 25600. The Nikon Z30 is the smallest and lightest camera among the Nikon Z series with a design optimized for video recording. The Nikon Z30 is the smallest and the lightest body in the Nikon Z series with a deep grip that is pleasant and stable to use for the lengthy shooting. Despite being aimed towards first-time mirrorless camera users, it features the same design and operability as high-end versions. The Nikon Z30 is perfectly intended for video recording, including vlogs, with a larger video record button that is more obvious than standard models, a large microphone where a wind muff can be steadily attached, and a rec lamp that immediately alerts of recording. In the Nikon Z30, more creative expressions are achievable with ease and as intended. Even in auto mode, the exposure compensation may be adjusted, and owing to the 20 creative picture control choices, more creative imaging expression can be achieved quickly and precisely as intended. Users can also fine-tune settings like contrast and brightness to reach the desired effects. There are also 4K UHD 30p without cropped and Full HD 120p for generating slow motion videos. On the mode dial, 3 user setting options are implemented, allowing users to assign the camera settings they like. Furthermore, the menu may be accessed with a single touch without having to delve deep into the menu, and the 2 function keys can be assigned to frequently used settings. These features enable customers to efficiently tailor the Nikon Z30 to their own requirements. For those looking for distinctive expressions, approximately 360 types of Nikon f lenses from AI type forward are available via the mount adapter FTZ2, allowing users to enjoy even more diversified expressions with a wide range of lenses, even older versions. Here are some of the additional features of the Nikon Z30. A video recording time of up to 125 minutes allows for extended shooting. The approximately 11 FPS high-speed continuous shooting allows for beautiful and reliable capture of the intended moment. Still photographs and videos can be downloaded to a smart device using the SnapBridge software for casual and social media publishing. Software. The movie editor function in NX Studio allows for simple movie editing. Compatible with the webcam utility, which transforms the camera into a webcam. Compatible with a wide range of attachments, allowing for comfortable video recording. The Nikon Z30 appears to do enough to ensure that Sony's ZV-E10 is no longer the default pick for vloggers and social media photographers looking for more creative freedom than their smartphone providers. The Nikon Z30 comes in 3 different versions: Nikon Z30 body only, Nikon Z30 with 1 lens kit, and Nikon Z30 with 2 lens kit. There also is a Nikon Z30 Creators Accessories Kit available with Rode Video microphone, small rig tripod grip, and Bluetooth remote control. The Nikon Z30 arrives in the market in July of 2022, while it is available for pre-order at the moment. Do let us know what do you think of Nikon Z30 in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.